Prima becomes rational. Why? Because we strive to provide you with the best possible solutions for cooking at all times, so you can master the challenges in your kitchen even better. How does this work? By combining our knowledge about cooking and always providing you with exactly the advice you need, thanks to our years of experience with efficient food production. What do you get out of it? Optimum cooking technology from a single source. After all, with the Self-Cooking Center or the Vario Cooking Center, you can meet almost all the requirements of a professional kitchen. Combining the two appliances creates an unbeatable team that is at your service, efficient, easy, and ensuring top cooking results every time, featuring unique services. So you always have the best tools for cooking from one strong partner. Rational.